Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to move a sprite or to make a catching game on sprite. So there are two ways to do this, guys. One with this way. I'll tell you to show you both of the games today, guys. Let's start with the first game where the sprite will catch you, not your mouse pointer. Now let's get started straight away when just green flag clicked. We're gonna add four if then, so duplicate the top 2 times. There you go. If I've actually accidentally changed duplicated too quickly. So if right arrow key pressed, just change X by 10 and then pointing direction 90. If left arrow key pressed, pointing direction minus 90, change X by minus 10. Now we're going to duplicate these two again. If down arrow key pressed or up arrow key pressed, okay, let's start with 180, and also we don't need these two guys. Change Y by minus 10, and then same to this one, change Y by 10, but actually point up. Now we're going to click on the direction box and that select the middle. Now it's actually going to, we can either see the movement of it. We need to check this forever, and we need to add a big forever loop inside. So now we can either check that the sprite is moving or not. If you think this is too fast, guys, set size to 50. Let's try now. We're going to change X by 5 minus 5, minus 5 and 5. Okay. 5. So now we'll go slower for you guys. Or I'm gonna make the size to 75. So we'll just be, okay guys. That is our movement for the cat. We have our movement. We can go diagonal by pressing down and left or up and right. So we can go down, or we can go down, we can go down, we can go instead. It's pretty cool guys. Now we are going to be making a new sprite. And select the star guys. Or crystal. I'm gonna do a crystal actually. What do you think guys? It's your choice to which one. I'm gonna do the crystal A and delete the crystal B. One green flag clicked really much guy 1 second random position forever. This is your choice guys. The smaller amount of number the faster it will go. I just did this much fast guys. If you want it, I'll actually make it fast. 0.5. That is actually pretty tricky now guys. Now let's try and do it. We're actually going to trick. Let's add a backdrop guys. I'm going to do just a simple circle. I've never seen this. Wait, I've never seen this background. I have never ever seen. I think they made new backgrounds guys. They made Grease, they made whole, they made Hay. They made Metro. They made okay. I'm just gonna stick with circles, guys, just to make it a little bit look hard. Very much that. If touching, say, wait. Also, right clicked for revolve. If touching, so from sensing the crystal, then we're going to make a new variable just to name it score. For the sprite only, if to make it good, so and we're going to make the thing called player score to make it better. So player score, change score by 1. But if and we're also going to add a timer, guys, and a broadcast message, guys, for game 1. I'll show you that later. And we're going to make a sound. Let's see now. If you want to change the sound, you can if you want. So we got 3 score and I like that. Pretty cool. Now we are going to be adding a timer. So we are also going to be another variable called time left. For all sprites, guys. Time left. Now when we click set time left to how many seconds you want. I'm gonna do 15, guys, and then forever change my variable. Change time left by. Okay, that is going so fast, guys. Wait, bro, it's already on a million almost, bro. Okay, -1. But we will need to wait 1 second, guys. Wait, that's now you can see the turn. If we're gonna add it, if then timer equals, so we see equals and pick the operators and do time left equals 0. So then when the time's over, really much we're also wait, guys, to make it a little bit easier, duplicate that and really much delete that, and then here delete keep that but delete the for. I'm just gonna show you load. So that's gonna be the timer, okay? Repeat until, guys. Repeat until equals the timer left equals 0. There you go. And then we just now when it's going to, let's just make it to like 2 right now, quickly. It's just gonna stop, guys, and it's gonna keep you on to 0, guys. Now 15 actually. We are going to be adding another sprite. Wait, not choose a sprite, paint a sprite. We really much need to convert a bit more and then change it to black and make it huge. Convert it better and make it like the entire screen, guys. Okay, that's good. If it is 0, 0, let's check X 0, Y 0. Okay, that's good. And then write time is over. Write in red if you want to make it scary. Time is over. Calm, guys, a little bit. Time is over. So there you go. for this coding, when green flag clicked, hide. When I receive message 1, show, wait 1 second, and then stop the entire game. And then just here, really much broadcast message 1. Not wait, just broadcast. Yeah, so now, let's try the game, guys. So we've just got 13 score for some reason. Oh yeah, because our game we need to reset the score. 3, 2, 1, go. So time is over. There you go. That's actually pretty cool. Also, when we click set the score to 0. Now that's actually our game is over, guys. First game, Project C. It's not too much coding, guys. Just for beginners, if you want to be good at Scratch. And yeah, so let's get started. That is our game. That's one of our games, guys. And I'm going to be showing you our second game we're making. New project. Now we are going to be actually adding some of our stuff. So we are actually going to be adding the same scripts, but let's just make a cat. We're going to catch when we flag clicked forever. Glide once. Wait, if you go to random position, guess what, guys? It's just going to be like that. Don't make it like that. Glide once. I'm going to do 0. When this sprite clicked, change. Make it underscore, quotes. Cats. We just have change cats by 1 and place on meow. Now we have a load. We have 2 eyes. So here you go. That's one of the games we can just make out. I'm gonna make another. Now we can also add a timer, guys. I teach you how to do it, guys. And that's it for today, guys. You can do the timer and stuff in your game. Bye bye.